Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to revert back a Windows 11 upgrade back to Windows 10. So let's say you had a Windows 10 computer, you did the Windows 11 upgrade, things are kind of working funky or you just don't like it and you want to go back to Windows 10. It's pretty easy to do so, but you can only do it for a limited amount of time before it's not an option anymore. So, and of course it has to be an upgrade. You can't just have a Windows 11 computer that was Windows 11 from the get-go and go back to Windows 10 because there's no way to do that. So, okay, so we have this Windows 11 computer here. Used to be Windows 10. It was upgraded to Windows 11. We have a video on how to do that if you're interested in checking out the process. And so what you got to do is click on Start, go to your settings. Make sure you're on the system area here. Find the recovery section. And then if you have this option to go back, you could go back. If it's not here, then it's too late and you can't go back to Windows 10. So we're going to click on Go Back. And getting things ready won't take long, but it probably will. Oh, maybe not. Okay, let's say, we'll just say, there, pick whatever option. This really doesn't matter. Click on Next. Check for updates. So they're saying if maybe there's an update that'll fix whatever problem you're having with Windows 11. So do you want to do that first before you go back? Let's say we don't care, so we're going to say no thanks. And so this just gives you some information about what you need to know. You'll have to reinstall apps and programs. You lose any changes that were made after you upgraded. So let's say you installed some software while running Windows 11. You're going to have to reinstall that on Windows 10. It shouldn't affect your files, but it's best to back it up. So always back up your files to, CD or flash drive or something before you do something like this, just to make sure in case it just crashes and you lose everything. You don't want to be out of luck on that. So we'll click on Next. Okay, don't get locked out. Make sure you know your Windows 10 password. In my case, it was the same as the Windows 11 password, so that should be okay. But just like I said, make sure you know your password that you were using on Windows 10. Okay, then we just click go back to Windows 10 right here, and it'll restart the computer and start the process. Okay, so now it's just restoring your previous version of Windows. So this process will take some time. So we'll be pausing the video throughout this just so you don't have to sit here and watch the whole thing. Okay, so now we're rebooting again. So that first part took maybe 5, 6, 7 minutes, so it wasn't too bad. Okay, so now we have our Windows 10 login screen here. Let's see what happens. Put in the password. And so now it's thinking, it's a new installation of Windows, so it wants to do a setup process like it does when you first log in. So we're going to skip this. So now we have our Windows desktop icon here, or Windows icon background, I should say. And everything's exactly the way it was before the Windows 11 upgrade. This thing, this was a pretty bare computer. It was a test computer just for the Windows 11 upgrade, so everything looks the same as it was before the process. So, like I said, pretty simple to do, but I would still back up your files just in case something goes wrong. This computer didn't matter because it's just a test computer, but definitely back up your files before doing the process. All right, well, hopefully that helps you. So if you need to do that, that's the process. So thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.